Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a hair tutorial. It is actually like how I draw hair, so you don't need to say like I'm telling you to do this or that. It's just how I draw hair. For people who like my art style or want to learn how to draw hair like me. So, let's get started. The first hairstyle we're drawing is a straight hairstyle. We're going to be drawing 3 different hair types. The straight one, the wavy one, and the curly one. So let's start with the straight one. As you see, I'm using a different model that I drew. So the hair looks a little different because the model is doing a different pose. Now we move on to coloring. First we block out the 2 colors, which is black and white. It kind of reminds me of someone. If you know, you know. After that, I grab my brush. I brought this brush from, the whole set from Mark Burnett's. He's actually like an art YouTuber, more like one of those professional ones. And I'm also using Kuroshi's brush for sketching, so I'll link those down in the description. So I'll be shading it like strand by strand, like a banana, some ups, some downs. I'll get the blending tool and blend the middle. I'll do that for all of the hairs. I'll mix in some black color too, since that's the hair color. It's half black, half white, so there's gonna be some blacks in some places and some whites in some places. So yeah. Now we are done. You can change the line color if you want to, but I want to because I think it makes everything more finished. To the curly hair. As we did for the first hair, we'll start drawing lines, but this time we're going to be drawing curly lines. We're going to separate some parts and draw them all in a type of curly way, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, we're going to start by putting the shadows on the hair. The shadows are going to be more because there's a lot of highlights. And by highlights, I mean the base color. So, just do what I'm doing in the video. Because I haven't done enough practice to even know what I'm doing here. Anyways, I think I should really be drawing more hairstyles like this so I can one day be able to explain it very well. I hope that day comes very soon. Okay, last and definitely not least, the curly hair type. This was definitely not the easiest one. I even needed to go and get some brushes. But the first one I could have drawn it myself, but it would just be time consuming, and I do not like to waste time. I'll draw the hair shape because the hair is kind of all over the place. Not me touching my hair right now. And then we'll take the black color. We'll start coloring the whole hair black, and after that we'll bring in the brushes. I got these brushes from speedpaint acid store. It was not free. This one was the type C, which is my hair type too. So this one was a little challenging because there was a lot of highlights and there was a lot of shadows too. In this reference picture, there is sunlight.